What up, y'all? Texas City coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the Air Jordan 3 for you guys, and this is the special Tinker Hatfield colorway of the Air Jordan 3. I'm sure you guys know and have seen this shoe online already, but I thought it was worth doing a quick unboxing. This is the fire red colorway of the Tinkers. As you can see, it takes on your regular Air Jordan 3 box. I already had the shoe out for you guys, so I'm just gonna show it to you guys real quick. So this was actually inspired by one of the original sketches that Tinker Hatfield have cooked up when he was designing the Air Jordan 3. So initially, just to backtrack a little bit, we had the pleasure to go to the Portland, Oregon Nike headquarters at least 2 or 3 times, if I'm not mistaken, 3 times. And the first time was a really special one, obviously, and we got invited to the Jordan room. When we went to the Jordan room, it was quite special because we saw all these original sketches, including the one that the Air Jordan 3, that was inspired by the sketch that inspired this sneaker right here. I'm sure you guys can see it online as well. Those are the same sketches, but they were actually in the Jordan room when we had the chance to visit Portland, Oregon. So shout out to Nike for bringing us out there. I think it's time for us to come with another visit. Hint, hint. Just kidding, but in all seriousness, so yeah, the sketch is real. I know a lot of people have like conspiracy theories saying like, hey, the Air Max Zero story is just a cooked up story, but this is actually something that was real. So the original kind of sketch of the Jordan 3 featured the swoosh as well as the Nike embroidery on the side right there. And then there are some cool little details as well, like the embroidery of Tinker's signature on the inside, as well as the insole that featured like a lot of original sketches of the Air Jordan 3. So let's start by reviewing the outsole real quick. As you can see, you got your classic Air Jordan 3 outsole in gray as well as red and white with your Nike detailing on the heel. Midsole is your regular Air Jordan 3 midsole, and then the upper part of the shoe features a tumble leather upper along with your classic cement print at the front and on the back of the shoe. But the most notable difference between this shoe and the regular Jordan 3 is obviously the swoosh on the side right there. They kind of premiered the shoe with Justin Timberlake during the Super Bowl wearing his JT3s. Tinker Hatfields, which were pretty cool, featured a white cement colorway then with a 3M swoosh, but I think this has showcased a lot more of the details of the Tinker Hatfields. And then you can see on the inside part of the shoe, it has like another embroidery of Nike on there, which is pretty cool to see. And then obviously the shoe comes with your hang tag that says Tinker Nike Air on the back. And then obviously your Tinker Hatfield embroidery on the inside part of the tongue, along with some original sketches on the inside of the shoe. That is pretty much it for this shoe right here. Now it's time to check out what these guys look like on feet. Let's check it out. All right guys, so this is what the Air Jordan 3 Tinkers look like on feet. We did do an unboxing video to the shoe. Let me know what you guys think of this shoe on feet. I think they look super fresh. I know it's not your traditional Air Jordan 3. The swoosh just adds a little, I don't know, adds a little element of like, you know, uniqueness to the Air Jordan 3, and also kind of keeps you guessing of like, what if, you know. And I'm pretty sure they could do something like reimagine some Air Jordan 1s, Air Jordan 2s as well, to see what they would have looked like with Tinker's original sketches. So yeah, this is kind of a cool story from Nike. They fit true to size, so I would go true to size with the Air Jordan 3s. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Leave me your comments in the section below. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future, and also hit the bell so that you won't miss any upcoming videos. Peace.